guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. It has been a whole damn minute since I have done a makeup tutorial. Like, I don't even know the last time I did a makeup tutorial, and you know, because so much time has passed, people may think like a lot has changed. Sis, nothing much has changed. Still using the same products, pretty much the same palettes, and yeah, but I do have a few little like bits and pieces that I've incorporated in my makeup routine, and I would love to just showcase that and, you know, just have fun with my makeup tutorials because I just like doing them and like showing you the upgrade of like, or the level of technique that has improved in the makeup game. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely don't forget to subscribe after this video, watch till the end, let me know what you think, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So yeah, the new-ish products that I'm going to be using is Bobbi Brown, what is it called? Vitamin enriched face base, so it's kind of like a primer vibe. I have changed my Fenty Beauty shade because for some reason 450, which is what I've been using, is too dark for me, so I've switched to 440, and we're just kind of gonna see how that's gonna go. So you know, like when you purchase on Sephora, there's a minimum amount you can purchase to get free delivery, and I literally had like, I think $3 left, and I was like, yo, like I'm not gonna pay $7 when I can just buy something. So I went in the sale section, and then I came across this. So this is Kat Von D's Inkwell liner, and I will not even lie, I have used this before this video, and yo, Kat Von D came through with like the tattoo vibe, waterproof. Sis, it ain't coming off because it is amazing. I'm still like getting the hand because I'm used to my other eyeliner brush, and this one's a different one where it's more stiff, so I'm still like getting used to drawing with it, but I kind of mix it up still with like my 1 pound eyeliner, which has stayed loyal to me and I to it because it is the best. I love it. It's pigmented, and why should I get anything other than it when it's so cheap and just does the job? Okay, so before I get started, I'm going to put on this Bobbi Brown primer. Smells very citrusy, very nice. I generally don't use primers that are very perfumed, which this is, because I just prefer to not put too much perfumey stuff, but it's okay. Oh, it feels nice. Very moisturizing, but also like thick at the same time, that it adds a layer, if that makes sense. So to highlight my eyebrows, I always use LA Girl, these two colors, which is fawn and chestnut, and I mix them together. I mean, mainly it's because when I first started highlighting my eyebrows, this is what I did, because I couldn't find a color that is just perfect to use on its own. And to be honest, I haven't really looked for anything else. This just works for me because I also still use this one to contour. And if I don't want to wear base or anything, I can just use this one. So it kind of works. I feel like this matches. I hope it's not too light. But if I look here and I look at my face, I feel like it's pretty similar. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. So I'm going in with my Perception palette. We will be using Revenge and Thick. As you can see, this is like my favorite color, which is obviously going. Okay, so a new kind of technique that I have discovered myself is, so when I do my makeup, I try to make it like the lining of my eyeshadow come to this crease here. If you can see this line, natural line here, and up until like here, right? So when I go in with my color. I'm using Revenge right now, Perception palette Colourpop. And then I kind of just like place it in the corner and create like a line. Okay. Then I kind of just come up here and continue into this crease. I wish I knew the terminology of this shit. And then I just kind of fill it in and I clean it out basically. Because basically what I want is this line to kind of coincide with my eyeliner line and it'll go into the color. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you will see when I put my eyeliner on. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our little triangle-y vibe. Yeah, now we're gonna do that on the other side. What I've also started to do is use my phone concealer when I'm wrong brush. I use my phone concealer to put on my eyelid here to help bring out the second color, basically create like a contrast, which I think is pretty helpful. I'm not yet about the like cut crease vibe and whatnot. I will do a tutorial attempting to do that because I've never done a cut crease vibe to myself, so that should be interesting. So I changed my mind. I'm actually going to go with Culture, which I hardly use. I've recently started using it. I actually do like the color, so yeah. Okay, see, I think it just makes the contrast so much better. Yes, mama. The only problem with this eyeliner is I seem to have to dip it back quite a bit because the color doesn't come on a lot. Okay, after I've pretty much filled in with the Kat Von D Inkwell liner, I still go in with my older 1 pound eyeliner just to clean up the lines and make it a bit neater. My contouring is not very elaborate. I just do it according to how I like it to look on my face. So if you've been following my makeup journey, you will know I do not bake. I literally just rub the powder in or like brush it about because baking is just, I don't know, it makes me look pale. Alrighty, so now the face is done and I just need to do something with my lips. I'm not going to tell you the name of this lip liner because I don't even know, it just works for my lips. And of course, my Fenty Beauty is like my baby because I just love Fenty and I love Rihanna, so why not use her products? And we are done. So yeah guys, I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I know not much has changed, but I just love doing my tutorials. I love showing how, you know, improved my techniques I've gotten with my makeup, and I'm pretty sure that I slay my life with it, and I'm very proud of it because it's been a long journey. I definitely do think that the Fenty 440 color works better for my skin tone now. I don't know what happened. I don't know what had happened or where I've been living, but something happened to my skin and it just changed shade. So I need to use a different color. As for the Kat Von D eyeliner, I absolutely love it because it's so pigmented and it just does not come out. Like, it doesn't melt like other eyeliners do, just like my £1 one. But obviously, as I stated, you know, I have to keep shaking it. It's long stories. But other than that, I love it. Yeah, I pretty much use everything else the same. I have new palettes that I'll be trying out. I'm definitely going to do a tutorial trying the cut crease method, which I've never done myself, so that should be interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you at my next video. When that will be, I'm not sure because I don't have the same type of time no more. Like, life be different. So I will try my best to upload as much as I can, but I hope you guys stay loyal and enjoy my older content too if you don't know it or you haven't seen any of it. So yeah, thank you, bye!